Morning, Steve in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's USDA report day, so 11 o'clock. We'll know what the USDA thinks about demand under these extreme conditions. They won't be really changing anything on the supply side until the May report. As far as the overnight, prices are a little bit higher. There is talk that Russia may agree to cut oil production in the OPEC meetings, which is supporting the crude oil market. The virus continues to spread, and that raises concern about global food, fuel, and feed demand. But again, we'll just see what the USDA says. Most expect them to raise the carryouts, corn, beans, and wheat a little bit on this report. We also get export sales, wheat sales below maybe the pace needed to get to the USDA numbers. Soybean sales also are running, as far as total commitment, behind the pace needed to get the USDA numbers. Corn is competitive on a global basis, but increased sales may not offset the drop in domestic ethanol usage. As far as weather is concerned, here in the United States, the morning American model is not quite as cold as it was yesterday, and it doesn't have quite as much moisture. The overnight run had a big, significant storm system moving across the Midwest April 16th and 18th, and the morning run has kind of toned that down a little bit. We still see dryness in Europe and Russia, and we'll see if that has any impact down the road on their production. People are beginning to roll back a little bit their supply estimates, both in Europe and Russia. Kind of early for that, but there is not a lot of rain in the forecast. As far as the markets are concerned, people are still concerned about demand and be willing sellers in the cash market above 880 November beans, 560 on the July wheat. Corn market really struggling here near contract lows. Funds are short, so you need some kind of weather scare to get those funds out of those positions, or corn prices might continue to trend a little bit lower. So for the corn market, it's really critical next week when we come in to look at the 2-week forecast and see if there's going to be any delays in planting, or if we're going to get the plantings done on time. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.